Ilalim ng tunnel, talagang na-erode na dahil yung slope protection dito sa baba sa tabi ng ilog ay napakababa at napakahina. Kaya nung pumasok yung tubig, nung bumigat yung tubig, tangay kagad. Kaya makita mo rito, tangay na ito lahat. This was all destroyed because of the landslide here, the rock slide here, and the erosion under the road. Now, the project that was supposed to take care of this cost us 260 million, more or less, 260 million. The 260 million that the government spent for this project had no effect whatsoever as to protect the slope. Parang walang ginawa. Sana hindi pareho lang. Kung hindi, wala silang tinayo, wala silang linagay na wall, wala silang linagay na riprap, wala silang linagay na slope protection, ganun din ang nangyari. Kaya ang valor ng kanilang trabaho is zero, complete zero. And here's the other thing, that's why I keep talking about economic sabotage. Ang feedback natin from the mayor and from the other, the mayor of Tuman is also here. Oh. Come join us. Halika, mayor. Dito ka. Oh, we are talking to the mayor in terms of the effect on businesses. Because of this, because nagsara ito, hindi na magamit ito, in terms of business, 30%, 35%, I think is the number, 35% kaagad ng kanilang hanapbuhay ay nawala dahil dito. So it is not only the damage, the physical damage that we can see, but it is also the damage to the economy. It is also the damage to the people's livelihood. Naghahanap buhay lang naman itong mga taong ito, tinanggal sa kanila 35% ng kanilang hanap buhay para ipulsa ang pera ng gobyerno. Kaya naman, hindi kayo magtataka, itong rock netting, yung tinatawag na rock netting. Kung makita ninyo, may mga netting na dinalagay sa unang-una, because napaka-notorious ng rock netting as corruption, pinagbawal na ang rock netting. So, pero ginawa pa rin. Pinagbawal na yan pero ginawa pa rin. Bukod pa doon, kilala ko ang supplier ng rock netting. Ang presyo ng rock netting is 3,200 pesos. Ang chinarge sa gobyerno is more than 12,000 pesos. So times 4. Times 4. So 75% ng kontrata kinikback. So that's the situation we are facing. Kaya't